All right. So looking, I don't ever use the selfie cam, but I guess okay. I just look at that spot right there. Well, hopefully this will be one of the last videos that I create using my phone. I placed an order for a Panasonic HCV770 camera. It's a bundle. It comes with compression microphone, or you can call them like shotgun mics, and I don't know. Came with a whole bunch of other like things. I don't. I'm hoping it came with a second battery, but I kind of don't think it did. Either way, that's an easy problem to solve. But yeah, I'm actually going to have a quality piece of equipment to record video on, and I will be editing video, uh, hopefully with better software, so I can do some transitions. Who knows? Maybe I can even put my skills at 3ds Max to the test and do some stuff in there. I don't know. Um, I do 3D modeling. I've done a lot of stuff for RC aircraft community, as well as um, private companies, and I think it's time now that I do something a little bit more with my channel, since that's the direction I want to go. Um, Anyhow, yeah, just putting together better videos. It's still going to be a wide range of random topics for the most part. I imagine there's still going to be a lot of chemistry because I love chemistry, and another big thing I'm into is mineralogy, and that has to do with the chemistry. I like to see, what's out there that I can actually use and create things with. So I'll be making a video on rhodonite here in the near future, where I've got a whole bunch of the crumble pieces of rhodonite from the outer shell of the rock that just fell apart. I'm not going to take apart the entire sample because I actually like it and I don't want to destroy it. But I've got enough where I can put it in a test tube. I can roast it with potassium hydroxide and extract the potassium that way. And I'm planning to make potassium permanganate with it and hopefully purify it and put it through a reduction to create pure manganese metal. We'll see how that goes, but at least I'll get potassium permanganate because I've done that before. So, anyhow, thanks for watching.